What's up everyone, welcome back. It's Raj here from P2 Media. Today I'm going to share some behind the scenes footage from a photo shoot that I did last week with my wife. So let's get to it. So we did this photo shoot on the second Sunday in March. For this photo shoot I was using a Sony a6300 with a Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens, along with the Godox trigger and a Godox AD200 connected with a Godox 37-inch Octabox. To record this behind the scenes footage, I was using the Nikon D7000 with the 24 to 70mm kit lens. For most of the shoot, I was shooting at either a shutter speed of 1/2000th of a second or 1/4000th of a second. The light was at full power and my aperture was f1.4. Here is the first spot where we chose to take pictures. We're in Northwest Brampton in Ontario right now, and as you can see, the sun is just starting to set. This is one of the pictures that I captured in this location. This picture has obviously been edited and retouched. After that we moved on. Just to the left of where we were previously, there was this metal sculpture in the middle, which I found very interesting, so I decided to take some pictures with that. We did get two decent shots. One of them is this one. Once again, this picture is also edited and retouched. After that, she wanted to try hanging off the bars, so we took some shots like that. It was difficult to get a natural pose, but we did get this one, which turned out quite well in my opinion. So where we were was basically a square where people come, and it's kind of like a park, but with the social distancing during this coronavirus pandemic, there was barely anybody there. So we did practically get the whole park to ourselves. This is one of the decent shots we got in this location. Once again, it's edited and retouched. As you can see, the buildings in the background there are blocking out the sun at this point. But I was shooting at full power on the AD200 with my shutter speed set to 1/4000th of a second. Here the wind was really getting in the way, the hair was just blowing everywhere, but we tried to make the best of it. As you can see in this shot, the hair is just blowing in the wind, which actually worked for this picture, but there was a lot of pictures where it didn't really work. We were only on location taking pictures for maybe 30 minutes because it was just way too cold, and this is just some more of the pictures that we got that day, as well as some pictures that I've taken afterwards at home in the studio. Here I was just testing out some color gels. This one was a headshot that she wanted to take to post on LinkedIn. I'll be posting photography related videos every Thursday. Last week I posted a video about my photography journey. If you want to check that out, just click the card right here. Next week I'll be taking you guys through my Lightroom workflow, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.